Hi, I'm Bill Lundquist with MonsterVac. I want to thank you for considering MonsterVac to clean your air ducts. Deciding who to choose to clean your air ducts can be a challenging task. So we've created this short video to help illustrate the MonsterVac difference and MonsterVac's commitment to the highest quality air duct cleaning service available anywhere. Air ducts can get extremely dirty. Dust, germs, molds, pet hairs, and allergens, even toxic fire retardants, can get into your air ducts. Before you hire anyone to clean your air ducts, make sure they can provide you with the kind of information we are providing you with in this video. At MonsterVac, we want you to know what it is we are going to do in your home. We want you to be comfortable that we have the tools, knowledge, and experience to properly clean your system. When you hire MonsterVac, you are hiring the most experienced air duct cleaning company anywhere. We have been cleaning air ducts for over 20 years. We have cleaned well over 100,000 homes' air duct systems. Our average technician has between 5 and 10 years of experience. As you know, there is no substitute for experience. Our employees are long-term professionals. We conduct regular training sessions for our employees, and all of our technicians are constantly kept up to date on the latest techniques and equipment. Our training program will last over a year before we send a technician on his own to service your home. Many other companies will only give their servicemen a few days of training. Our technicians are NADCA certified and EPA certified. It is important for you to understand that the people who are actually performing the work in your home are certified. Many other companies will only have one person who works in the office certified and then claim they are certified. Our MonsterVac trucks are the state-of-the-art in air duct cleaning equipment. The equipment that our competitors use is the same equipment we first used when we started in business 20 years ago. In the year 2000, MonsterVac Inc. made a commitment to build all of our own equipment. We just never could get anyone else to build equipment that was powerful enough to clean air ducts to our high standards. So we built our own. Our trucks are so powerful that allows us to thoroughly clean systems in all situations that other companies can't even begin to clean. Not only does our equipment give us the superior results, it also allows us to be extremely productive so we don't waste your valuable time by using clumsy and antiquated equipment that our competitors use. Another very important reason that we need so much power is to protect you from what is called cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is when dirt and contamination that is in your air ducts is released into your home. Our trucks are so powerful that we drastically reduce the possibility of cross-contamination. Let me walk you through a cleaning. When our men arrive at your home, first we will walk through the job with you and do a preliminary inspection. We will determine if your system even needs to be cleaned, and if so, we will determine what methods and techniques we will use to achieve the best results for you. We will then write up a work order with a price quote on it so that you will know exactly what the project will cost and what is included. We will then present it to you for your approval before we begin work. There will be no surprises from us. Everything will be on the table before we begin work. Our technicians then take precautions to protect your floors and walls by laying down drop cloth and using corner protectors. We then clean our tools and brushes before we bring them in your house. Did you know that one way other companies will commonly cross-contaminate your home is by using the same brushes and tools at your home that they used at the last person's home? Think about it. Whoever you hire was at someone else's house the previous day. That homeowner might have had some kind of disease or terrible source of contamination you don't even want to think about in their air ducts. Did you know that they stick a brush down this person's air ducts, then pull the brush out and put it in their trucks, and then stick the same brush in your air ducts? Yuck! MonsterVac takes active measures to prevent this disgusting business practice. Our technicians wipe down their equipment outside your home with sanitizing wipes. We install new brushes at every job right in front of you. When you hire us, you can be confident that we won't be spreading someone else's germs and filth in your home. We then run our massive 12-inch vacuum hose from our truck to the area your furnace is located in. We then hook this hose up to strategic points in your system so that we can put your entire system under a negative pressure. Basically, we turn your entire heating system into a central vac system. We then remove the blower from your furnace. The blower is usually very dirty, and we always remove the blower in order to thoroughly clean it. It takes extra time and requires skills that most other air duct cleaning companies don't have, but it makes all the difference in the world, so we take the time to remove the blower. Once we have hooked up to your system, we then engage the truck and put your system into a vacuum. Look how powerful this vacuum is. We then start by cleaning all of your supply air vents. Notice the custom MonsterVac blast box that we are holding over the vent. This allows us to blow out the first couple of feet of duct without making a mess in your home. This first couple of feet is the part of the system that most often companies will contaminate your home with by trying to blow off this area without one of our blast boxes. Once we have cleaned the first couple of feet, we then run a rotary brush down the full length of the air duct. This spinning brush will buff clean the full length of this branch line. Any dirt that is removed from the duct wall is simultaneously sucked up by the MonsterVac truck and removed from your house. After cleaning the branch line, we then scrub clean the boot, which is the area directly below the vent. Each and every vent in your home is removed and the branch line is cleaned this way. After cleaning each branch duct, we insert a digital camera into the duct and take a picture. This picture gives us instant feedback on whether your duct is now clean or whether it needs additional cleaning. We're in the basement now. What you're looking at is the bottom side of the register we just cleaned. We cleaned from the register all the way down this branch air duct to where it hooks up here to this main trunk line. That's as far as most air duct cleaning companies will take it when they're cleaning your air ducts. They clean from the bottom of a register all the way down the branch line to where it hooks up to the trunk line. It's important that you clean the trunk lines though, because they're probably the dirtiest part of the whole system. It can be difficult to clean sometimes with a finished basement and a finished ceiling, but the power of our MonsterVac trucks allows us to clean deep into these main trunk lines and thoroughly clean them. Let me show you how we do it. We move to the main trunk line in the basement where we clean the full length of it using a combination of spinning brushes and air whips. We use an agitation tool that makes contact with every square inch of this main duct, knocking loose any built-up debris. The suction draw of the MonsterVac truck simultaneously removes the dirt out of your home. After cleaning the main, we then take several digital pictures of the inside of the main duct to verify whether it is clean or maybe it needs a little additional cleaning. Once we have cleaned the supply side of the system, we switch the hose hookup and repeat this process on the return side. This side is even dirtier than the supply side. We start by using one of our custom-made MonsterVac blast boxes to clean the first few feet. This blast box protects your home from contamination being blown into your home. We then clean the full length using push rods and compressed air or spinning brushes. Much of the cleaning is performed from below if the basement is unfinished. As with the rest of the system, we are continually taking digital pictures to verify cleanliness. We then move back downstairs again and clean the full length of the return air duct main. Pictures are taken again to verify cleanliness. We then move to the furnace where we thoroughly clean the blower. When we clean the blower, we remove it and then clean all of the blades. We then clean the heat exchanger. This is very important because this is where the dirt is that you smell when the heat is running. We then clean your burners, flue pipe, and the entire interior of the furnace cabinet. We then hand wipe out the blower compartment with a sanitizing cleaner. We then clean the coil. Without a doubt, the dirtiest and most contaminated part of your system is your air conditioning coil. This is where all contamination starts from. Since the air conditioning coil is wet during the entire cooling season, it will provide the perfect environment for mold to grow. MonsterVac uses proprietary methods to actually wet clean your air conditioning coil. Only a wet clean process will free your coil of unhealthy, efficiency-robbing contamination. MonsterVac doesn't just assume your coil is clean, we actually take the time to perform a pressure drop check on each and every coil we clean. This check gives us the data we need to verify that your coil is clean. Pictures are taken of each part of the furnace cleaning to verify cleanliness. Once we have completely cleaned your furnace, we then install a new filter if we have one on the truck that fits, or we clean off your existing filter. We then start up your furnace and perform a safety check to make sure your system is operating and look for potential safety issues. Your satisfaction means everything to us at MonsterVac. We guarantee all of our work, and we will keep on working until you are satisfied. If for any reason you have questions about the service we performed or you are unhappy in any way, just give us a call and we will be back to take care of it for you. If you hire MonsterVac, you can be confident that we will do a great job for you, because at MonsterVac, we've got the power.